Jennifer Berg of Waconia, Minnesota. My husband arranged for all of this. He knows that I don't know how to do my hair, I don't know how to do my makeup, I'm just not very girly. And so he researched this like 2 years ago and has been wanting to arrange for me to come here. I'm actually excited and nervous. I've spent my whole life not really knowing how to do it, and maybe today I'll walk out and have a better idea. I've gone anywhere from shoulder length to like super short spiky in the back, usually somewhere between chin and shoulder length. That I won't be able to replicate it at home, and that I won't be able to put it into a ponytail when I can't replicate it at home. I was surprised when he just picked up the hair and went snip and it was gone. I was like, whoa. And I do play competitive volleyball, so I also need to be able to get it out of my face and back and stay back throughout the day. Is that hairspray you're putting in it?
Yeah, it's a really light.
Okay.
It doesn't have any stickiness to it.
Okay.
I feel like it kind of helps separate them a little bit.
Okay. Give a little more sass to it?
It allows you to do that without it being like hairspray.
Yeah. It says go for it, it'll grow back if you don't like it. Not to have so much anxiety coming in and just trust the process. Like, you do you, let them do them, and everything will work out.